387 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 6th April 2021. According to Health Bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services, total active cases in the state now stands at 2,471. 838 deaths are reported till 6th April 2021. Goa's recovery rate is 94.46%. Total recovered patients in the states are 56,393. Breakup of total 2,471 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa, CSC Bicholim 58, CSC Sakre 52, CSC Pernam 45, CSC Vadpai 11, USC Mapsa 131, USC Panji 248, PSC Aldona 28, PSC Bedki 9, PSC Kandolim 203, PSC Kansarvanam 19, PSC Korwai 35, PSC Kolem 65, PSC Chimbal 64, PSC Shiolem 107, PSC Pororim 190, PSC Mayam 9, Travelers by road flight train 17. South Goa, CSC Kurcharim 41, CSC Kankana 29, USC Margao 254, USC Vasco 131, PSC Bali 19, PSC Kansavlim 92, PSC Chinchinim 58, PSC Kortalim 140, PSC Kurtorim 35, PSC Tutolim 39, PSC Marsaim 9, PSC Kapam 25, PSC Sangam 38, PSC Shirora 25, PSC Darbandara 20, PSC Ponda 192, PSC Navelim 33. Bed capacity in COVID care center are as follows. District North, total capacity 275, current vacancy 275. District South, total capacity 144, current vacancy 93. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.